Is polyurethane better than mud jacking?
Yes, polyurethane is absolutely, definitely better than mud jacking. Comparing the two technologies is like night and day. With mud jacking, large holes get drilled in your concrete and they look horrible. It ends up defacing your concrete, making it look really bad. The material used is very subject to slumping back down or washing out completely, allowing your concrete to drop back down, needing to be raised again. Polyurethane, on the other hand, with our SmartLift system, requires very small injection holes. Once patched, they blend in nicely and you can hardly even notice them. The polyurethane that we use to lift and support the concrete is completely water resistant and will never wash out from beneath your concrete. So mud jacking doesn't look very good and it doesn't last very long. Polyurethane concrete raising with our SmartLift system makes your concrete look great, and the raising material that we use will never wash out.